fried Oreos. My camera's blurry. Please come on. What's up, Taylor gang? It's Taylor and I'm back with another video. In today's video, y'all probably thinking it's a shed updating video, but it's not. But we're still working on that project. Again, I'm actually going to Philly today and I got 2 clients down there, so I'm so excited about that because y'all done been to Philly plenty of times, but I haven't never did a service on anybody. So I'm just excited about that, and I was gonna bring y'all with me because I'm actually going to New Jersey, basically taking a little mini vacay. Like I would say for my birthday, but my birthday is next month in July on the 5th. But right now I'm packing. I just finished packing my bag. I got 1 client. She's on the way right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get her in here and out. Hey Taylor gang, so I really want to apologize because the last time y'all seen me was in that goddamn room in Atlanta, in my room. And I literally, but no lie, the airport was hectic. It was literally like, if y'all seen that line, I was not about to pull that camera out and vlog all of that. Y'all, once I got to Philly, which was yesterday, last night, like 7 p.m., probably 7-ish. But literally the next morning, I had a client at 11 a.m. I did hers. I'm supposed to have 2 clients, but it's okay. I'm grateful that I was able to do a client, so that's good. And going to New Jersey, and we got a hotel down there for 2 days, and we're going to the beach. And I'm so excited because I love the beach. Like, I love the beach, like, oh my granny. But literally this morning after I finished my client, we literally had to, I don't know if y'all can see them bags in the back, but your girl packed so much shit and didn't even bring her bathing suit and my cover up. Like, my bag was 45 pounds, y'all. What the fuck? My bag was 45 pounds. So I'm like, how the fuck is this even possible? Like, and then I'm so mad because I didn't even bring my bathing suit. I packed everything else, didn't bring a bathing suit. Taylor, like, moving too fast. Packing our bags. Let's see. I was gonna bring my suitcase, but nope. These 2.
Our members here, it's cheaper, easier, and you come by every day.
Exactly, yeah. Let me get the membership then.
Do you need to put it on the card?
I got to put on the card? Alright, yeah, I got my debit.
You always choose it. Yep.
Here, let me get that then.
Okay.
Here, that's the
That's all details.
the members, the price on the left is the member price, I'm guessing?
The red price, yeah.
Okay. I'm about to say, yes, okay.
And you never been a member here?
No, ma'am.
Alright.
I wanna fuck the baddest bitch here right now. Thanks so much, cause I'm crazy. Can't forget the perks. Perk 10, I just popped up perk 10. Perky dance, make me do my perky dance. Make me do my perky dance.
I got it. Y'all are the biggest of mother. Huh? What if we passed them?
$1 $10, 3 $5.
Cause who you know?
This bitch is on the pot pie. Yeah. I'm about to jump.
Yo, this is so like. They knew I was coming. That's why they got these walls painted.
Yeah.
Cause they go on the bathroom. Ooh, the baby yaddy. Is this on there still? Oh. bathroom big and I like that shower. Got that. Then here's me. This how you know this one of the ones. We got another mirror. Ooh, oh my God, what the fuck?
What you did?
Way up here.
Beach
I shoot right there.
You say I take my picture right here. Come on, for real. Presidential shit. Look.
Look at that.
See, that's why I should.
It was way back there. I don't even know how that happened. Well,
So we out here in the motherfucking, where we at right now? We finna go to the boardwalk. Y'all, I got my jacket on because, baby, it's getting a little too cold. And you know what that means. I already got my damn thighs out.
I'm gonna try yours first. See what I want. So it's for real.
They good though, fried Oreos.
I don't know. I don't even know who my mom is.
We got some fried Oreos, know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna try one because they hard to sell, but y'all see by the looks. Are we at Hooters? Hold on. My shit is literally about to go there. Here's the next morning. Do these crusty edges. Let's see. We just got some Subway. We're doing this paintball. Fortnite right there. I think you missed that fry part.
Oh. I'm dead secretary right now. Hey, yo, boy.
You over there talking junk? Oh, they so close. Oh, that. That's it. I just thought this was Little fucking Caesars. The Applebee's.
I'm really not. I ain't.
That's the point stuff.
Yeah, we at Applebee's. Huh?
what kind of camera is that?
It's a Sony V1. No, like YouTube.
Really? Would you guys support?
Okay.
I'm gonna write it down. I'll be right back.
Okay. Thank you.
So pretty, your makeup.
Thank you. Period. I'm not hungry, but I'm hungry. It's like I want some. I really want some mozzarella sticks because I said that when we went to Hooters. I want some.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive?
$2 should be enough, though, I think. It's like
We about to go to the beach, y'all. Good. Here you go.
Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting it.
Just there, my mate. Go. Can you put a car up some? Y'all, we finna go to Dave & Buster's. I don't know what today is, but what actually is June 10th. I leave in 2 days. But your girl is looking scrumptious-lummy-umptious. Scrumdelly-umptious. That's my fit. Hold up.
I ain't said everybody, but there's nobody in the deck. What was it, Bronco Jam?
We playing the drinking game. Turn this shit. Whoever lose, gotta take a shot. Matter of fact, whoever lose, gotta take 2 shots. I already know who about to be drunk, this nigga, cause I ain't losing. I never lose.
I never lost another damn.
Bro, I beat this man in pool. What else I beat you in? Bowling. Pool, bowling on, Zine.
Bro, put that on something, bro.
Oh God, I beat you in bowling.
Okay.
Oh, what, you let me win? Go ahead and say that bullshit. What, you let me win?
Now, which way we want to be going, bro?
We been past it.
We could be parking first.
If you beat me or something, I admit it.
I was a dead, but he just joined the honey bar club. That nigga know I'm gun club.
Too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. False gold, and we straight to the smart shit. 2 small pins just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. False gold, and we straight to the smart shit. 2 small pins just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body.
Y'all, Guitar Hero just cheated like fuck. Like, that game ass. Literally. Hey y'all. So clearly it's the next morning and hold on. We We about to go to this brunch thing, so it's crazy because I didn't think I was gonna be able to get up, but I don't know, my camera right here in the car. And I just got out the shower, y'all, so don't mind me. Oh my gosh. I didn't know I was that zoomed in. But yeah, yesterday was fun. I'm trying to see where I can put my camera at. Yesterday was cool. I ain't gonna lie, I was lit last night. I ain't gonna hold you. Okay, I found a spot. But right now, I'm just getting this makeup off my face because last night I did not take my makeup off. We ended up going to get some Philly cheesesteak after we left from Dave & Buster's, and then what did we do? We were trying to go do something else, but I think the road was blocked off, like it was cops and stuff. So we had to take it on in. So we about to go to brunch. We about to get ready and go to brunch. And then we gotta go see this movie. Y'all, is it wrong to use the Noxzema pads to take your makeup off? Because they get my makeup off easy, quick. Then we gotta go see that Boogeyman movie, I think. Yeah. And then after that, I think we're going to get a massage. When I be drunk, I got self-control over myself. Like, I know my limits when I drink. But y'all, I'm just cleaning my face, getting all this makeup off, just to do a new face. Isn't that crazy? But I'm probably gonna, y'all don't mind my camera is probably better because I literally dropped my camera yesterday. I didn't drop it, but I had set it down on this stand and it had tipped over and fell. I'm probably call y'all back when we leave and how my makeup is done because I don't really want to vlog myself do my makeup. I feel like I do that too much. Like, and that takes up so much time in my video. Trying to see, should I do no makeup? Oh, my edges is messed up, so I ain't fucked about a nigga, but a nigga got me fucked up. You right. I'm gonna do makeup today, just because this today I really gotta shit on these hoes. Like, no. It's like, no.
More, so it's $20 for a picture and then $2 for bottomless tacos. So it's not bottomless margaritas anymore.
Loving the aesthetic in here. It's very like. What's wrong?
They really look, you already ordered for most part.
Oh, dang.
You mind?
Hold on. I'm getting it. Come on. This food looks crazy good. He was about to.
church, guess religion and heals. I'm a ladies man, mama's baby boy.
Okay, y'all, so we had our movie started at 1. No, our movie started at like 2:15.
Oh shit, no paper required. Look at us.
Ain't none of that. They did that shit last night. We out here in Miami looking for the hoochie daddies. Say no, y'all. I ain't looking for no motherfucking hoochie daddy because guess what? I am the hoochie daddy, bitch. We in the mall. Finna turn it up and switch it to a wall. What you doing back there? Okay, y'all, so the Boogeyman movie, I give it a good 8 out of 10.
Shit trash.
First of all, let me tell y'all, this nigga was asleep literally during the preview. So we just know his rating don't count because that nigga was asleep. He kept waking up. He kind of like them old heads that you'll watch a movie with. He'll fall asleep mid-movie. Yeah. Give it an 8 out of 10 because I love scary movies. So that movie right there, I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. It was these 2 old ass motherfucking and I respect my elders, but they just would not shut the fuck up. Like I felt like I was watching a movie with my damn grandma. Somebody, one of the workers even came in there and was like, "Can y'all tone it down a bit?" Because damn, they just was running their fucking mouth.
Shit was trash.
But anyways, the movie was good.
Motherfucking shit.
I enjoyed the movie. I had Oreo pop. Hello. Hello.
Hello, yeah, what can I do for you?
Hey, I was calling to see how much is it for a 30-minute massage? Y'all, we just went in that place and that lady just stood us up. Talk about she busy. She said she was busy, so okay, bye. You don't want no money. So we finna try this last place. She said a 30-minute massage. Okay, customer need more time. Customer, yeah, later come, okay? 30 minutes. 10 out of 10. No key, no kizzy. That lady just rubbed me to sleep. Y'all, that massage. Oh. Yeah, that massage was, I give her a 10 out of 10, I ain't gonna lie. Cause when I tell y'all that lady, she rubbed every part on my body, like, oh my God. I'm talking about my ears. Oh, period. You're talking about my thing, yeah. Period. Wait, what?
You recording, go ahead.
We just got the, I think she said this NJ. I was not finna get no Pink Whitney. Pink Whitney is fucking ass. Hold on. How the fuck? What? Somebody, yeah. We out here live and motherfucking. She don't even know. We got you though.
Bad hoes and bag rolls.
Dookie babe, you shit on yourself. Say, okay, you ready? It's recording. Let me see. I'm sorry. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This is a moment in history right now. Christopher Columbus, I respect you. I took your picture. Hey y'all, so today is Monday and I go home today. I miss work so bad though, like I'm so ready to go home, not in a bad way, but I just miss work, if that makes sense. I wasn't gonna wear no makeup today, but we about to go grab some IHOP. I'm going to the airport at like 5. It's like 2, yeah, it's 2:30 now. So we finna go to IHOP and ooh, my hair looks crazy. Gotta go to IHOP real quick. We supposed to have been with the IHOP, y'all. Like, we supposed to go to IHOP like two days ago, but the IHOP in Philly closes at 10 p.m. Like, baby, since when? That's so new because IHOP normally be 24 hours. But anyways, we probably finna go grab. We are finna go grab some IHOP. Let me turn my light down. We finna go grab some IHOP, and then we're supposed to be going to his uncle's house. I don't go to his uncle's house, but overall, I had a good time while I was here. I did a client, so that was like the best. Not the best part, but it was very, I was happy about that. But I had fun. And I'm gonna try to get this vlog out to y'all tonight when I get home. But I had fun when I was down here.
You gotta go home, bro.
Huh?
Why you gotta go home?
Whew. That feels way better.